Hey guys, I'm Sonika. Today I'm going to give you a complete review of the Hama Optec 10x50 Prism Binoculars. So let's get started. If you like my video guys, give me a big thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And now enjoy the video. Hey guys, I'm Sonika. I recently went to a road show where many products were on display by Hama and Olympus, and I got my hands on the Hama Optec 10x50 Prism Binoculars. So I used it for a fair few minutes and I wanna share my experience with you guys in this video and give you a complete review. So let's get started. These binoculars have high quality blue coated anti-reflection lenses that can help you give a clear image which avoids reflections. Also in backlit situations or dusk or dawn, soft touch rubber body gives an optimal grip and helps in shock protection too. Therefore, ideal for long photography tours. Along with the product, you will get one storage case, one carrying strap, one cleaning cloth, one lens cover and user manual. Some technical data: magnification is 10x, lens diameter 50 mm. That's why it is named 10x50 Prism. Exit pupil 5 mm, weight 30 grams, field of view 303 feet, price is around 5,590 rupees. I'll leave its link down below guys where you can check it out on Amazon. The binoculars look cool, not heavy at all. By easily pressing this, I can adjust it to match my eye width. This is the focusing ring so that I can get the surroundings into focus. Here we have the diopter on the right eyepiece. So if I use spectacles, I can adjust them accordingly. So I simply start using it and voila, the world has come closer. So final verdict, the product is good, it's lightweight, durable, long lasting, all that. But will I buy it? I currently feel no need to buy this product because I think this product is more for people who are hardcore into bird or wildlife photography. I like to do little bit more of macro and street photography, so maybe this is not very relevant to me. Also, by God's grace, my eyesight is good. I don't need spectacles, so even if I want to do wildlife or bird photography, I don't find it difficult to see faraway objects. But if you have poor eyesight, or if you are too much into birding, wildlife photography, then you may definitely consider buying these binoculars. So guys, this was my honest review of the Hama Optec 10x50 Prism Binoculars. And if you like this video and found it to be useful, give me a big thumbs up. Leave a comment down below if you want me to review more photography related products. Share this video with your friends and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also turn on the bell icon to be notified whenever I post new videos. Here is my previous product review. Please go check it out guys. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more such videos every Wednesday on my channel. Bye.